model, 2016 Nissan Np300 Navara Tekna 2.3 DCI needs head gasket repair, no VAT. Body, white 4x4. Mileage, 120709. MOT, the 8th of October 2025. Engine, 2298 cc YS23 E5B A. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs underpowered. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, parking sensors, cruise control, alloy wheels, reversing camera, air con, electric windows, 2 keys, tow bar. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £9,850 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.